Let's look at adding custom PDFs into your SumoQuote account. Go to Configuration, Account Settings, and select PDFs on the left side. There are two ways to store PDFs in SumoQuote. If you want a PDF to only be available to yourself and not to be seen or used by anyone on your team, you want to add PDFs to My PDFs. Alternatively, if you want a PDF to be available to your entire team, you want to upload PDFs to Shared PDFs. Only admin users are able to add PDFs to shared PDFs, but all users are able to access them when creating reports. When you click on Shared PDFs, you'll notice a number of folders have already been created for you. These include the marketing materials for the brands you selected in the onboarding process. To help keep your PDFs organized, you can add folders by clicking here. You can then drag and drop PDFs into those folders. By right-clicking on your folder, you can rename or delete it. To add a PDF of your own, you can drag a PDF file from your computer and drop it into the rectangular box here. The file will upload, and then a thumbnail will show up below. To select a PDF, click on it, and a green box will appear around the perimeter of the thumbnail, and a green checkmark will show up in the top right corner of the image. If you right-click on any PDF, the option to delete it will show up. And that is how to use your PDF library.